Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kia Soul oil light. This is a common task after an oil change, and it's important to do it correctly. We'll walk through the exact sequence of button presses and menu selections. This method is the most reliable way to clear that service reminder, ensuring your vehicle's system is up to date. Let's get started with the first step. First, get into your Kia Soul and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll see the dashboard lights illuminate. Next, use the buttons on your steering wheel, typically the mode or arrow keys, to navigate through the instrument cluster display. Look for a menu option that says Service Interval or Maintenance to proceed with the reset process. Once you've found the Service Interval or Maintenance menu, use the OK or Enter button on your steering wheel to select it. You'll then need to press and hold that same OK button for a few seconds. This action will typically bring up a prompt asking if you want to reset the service interval. Confirm this selection to proceed with the reset. After confirming the reset, the oil light on your dashboard should turn off, indicating a successful procedure. It's a good idea to double-check the service interval display to ensure it has reset to its default or desired settings. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your Kia Soul's oil light. This simple process helps keep your vehicle's maintenance schedule accurate and your dashboard clear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.